हाय मेघना.
हाय.
हाउ आर यू?
डूइंग गुड.
आज क्या हो रहा है यहाँ?
आज स्नो स्टॉर्म आया हुआ है एंड इट्स स्नोइंग लाइक क्रेजी.
Yeah? Do you want to give us a little bit more detail about the snowstorm?
यस एब्सोल्युटली. तो कल शाम से यहाँ पे आई थिंक इट्स कॉल्ड ओर्लिना. इट्स अ विंटर स्टॉर्म जो कि न्यूयॉर्क सिटी एरिया इनफैक्ट पूरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट में आया हुआ है एंड इट्स बीन डंपिंग सो मच स्नो. आई थिंक द प्रेडिक्शन वाज देयर इज गोइंग टू बी एटलीस्ट 2 feet ऑफ स्नो एंड अभी तक तो काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग चल रहा है. इट हैजंट स्टॉप्ड स्नोइंग. It's been snowing non-stop since last evening.
That's
so
crazy. I've heard this is the biggest snowstorm in 5 years.
yeah, that's true. They're saying ki this hasn't happened for the past 5 years. So
That's scary, right?
It is scary. Yeah.
So what are we going to do?
We are going to go out.
What?
Yes, we are.
Are you kidding me?
तो इधर के लिए चलते हैं and then we just see कितना अच्छा हो रहा है. I know it's pretty cold, but the wind has stopped now, so it's a good time to step out and we'll see the beautiful landscape.
तो क्या करेंगे बाहर जाके?
We'll try to see the New York skyline if at all it is visible.
Okay.
And I guess we'll play a little bit with snow. I'll throw a couple of snowballs at you.
What?
And yeah, just check out the happy dogs.
Awesome. Okay. So how are you geared up to go out in this weather?
I am properly decked up. I have a hat on. I'll be grabbing my ear muffs. These are my snow boots.
Okay.
You need them because you don't want to slip in the snow.
That's right.
Snow pants bhi chahiye because you don't want to get wet in the snow.
That's
You
right.
need a very heavy jacket,
Uh-huh.
a bomber preferably,
Sure.
and if possible, 2 gloves.
Oh, I know, right? You're gonna wear 2 gloves now.
I am going to. I'm not
Are
going.
you also wearing 2 socks, Meghna?
Yes, I am.
Jeez, okay.
So yeah, let's go before it gets dark outside.
Awesome. Alright, cool. Let's head out. Alright. So as you can see, काफ़ी सारी snow already accumulate हो गई है and it's incredibly windy. So हमारी building management वाली team जो है, they thankfully clear this up whenever it snows. So I think वो बेचारे आज सुबह से 3-4 बार ये सब कर चुके हैं, but it, as you can see, it keeps building up. तो I guess जो सारी buildings होती हैं इनकी अपनी अपनी responsibility होती है to make sure that their walkways and then their driveways are sort of free of snow. And yeah, and the rest of it is up to the city management. ध्यान से हाथ पकड़ ले, दोनों साथ में फिसलेंगे. For what?
Clear out the roads.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is a good one. So I think yeah, ये city का truck है, and then their main job is to make sure that roads are still drivable because as you can see, there's quite a bit of accumulation. So they just basically park everything to the side. So actually, if you really want to look at कि कितनी snow हुई है आज, this is a very good indication. Because ये जो walkways हैं ये सारे clear कर दिए हैं हम लोग की building management ने. But as you can see, sides में it's starting to pile up. So if this was all left untouched, there would have been close to what 2 feet of snow already, right?
Yeah.
It's crazy. But it's very beautiful,
Yeah, it's all white.
है ना?
Look, that is a lot of snow.
हाँ, that's a lot of snow. So just to give you guys a very clear indication, like our feet are almost completely submerged. And again, I think these guys are from the city management जो shovels लेके घूम रहे हैं, because I think they are responsible for making sure कि जो walkways and driveways, so the ones that lie outside the respective buildings jurisdiction are sort of catered to. Oh, jeez. I think another good thing is कि जब भी यहाँ snow होती है बहुत ज़्यादा, although we do have like this traffic signal system around, as you can see, but people are very considerate. एक तो वैसे ही there are fewer cars on the road, but then जो passengers, sorry not the passengers, but जो pedestrians के लिए people are usually very accommodating. तो अगर कोई driver आ रहा हो, like कोई car आ रही हो, so they make sure that they stop at a safe distance so that you don't feel threatened when you're trying to cross the road. Whew.
And it is still snowing, by the way.
हाँ, it's still snowing.
बहुत sharp है एकदम, ऐसा लग रहा है कि चुभ रही है.
That's maybe because it's very windy, so it's actually like hitting us in the face.
But I hope I don't get blinded by this.
Alright, so हम boardwalk पे चलते हैं and then we'll see you there in a quick second. Oh, so finally, I think I said a second, but हम लोग को 10 मिनट लग गए हमारे घर से यहाँ तक आने में boardwalk तक, which is like literally just 1 block away, because like the walkway is like very slippery because थोड़ी बहुत snow दोबारा accumulate हो रही है. And as you can see from the movement of the camera that it's just so windy right now. But then actually we can't really get much of a view, to be honest.
Yeah,
But
it's
it's-
not that much visible. You can see the
But it's beautiful.
skyline
है
a
ना?
little bit. Yeah.
Oh, and some of the snow is actually turning purple because I think they've added some salt to make sure that it doesn't get accumulated. Oh. Hello. Alright, so this is like a legitimate snowstorm because the wind gust is like really crazy. Just to give you an idea, this is how Meghna's walking. Actually, I think it's better now. So we're going okay, there you go. So we're going to go stand behind a building just so that we're not really blown away into the water. Okay, so we decided that we are going to walk on this black strip because I think it's made out of, I don't know what this is made out of, to be honest, but it's different from the other ones and it's not as slippery because wahan to it's almost impossible to walk, and we're getting a lot of wind gusts from behind, so it's starting to get a little bit difficult to walk. Meghna, how was the experience?
Oh my god, I've never seen something like this.
I know,
इतनी
right?
हवा, oh my god, हम तो चल भी नहीं पा रहे थे
अरे इतने धक्के लग रहे थे यार.
बहुत ज़्यादा. Plus it's so slippery, man.
हाँ, I think it's a little bit better up because I think we're behind this really big, gigantic Goldman building. So for those of you who don't know, actually you can't really see much from here, so I'm gonna take a step back and hope that I don't really slip.
Be careful, don't go far.
Okay, I think it's better to walk here, but this is the gigantic Goldman building which is situated in Jersey City, and right now it is preventing us from getting blown away. Okay, आजा इधर आजा. So this was a pizza delivery guy who was apparently serving pizzas to someone or delivering pizzas to someone in the Goldman building. So kudos to him for being able to manage to ride a bike in this weather. Like, we can barely walk. I think the other thing is we just realized that हम लोग बिल्कुल I think बिल्कुल एकदम peak पे बाहर आ गए हैं ये storm के, because did we not read that it was going to peak around noon and then sort of simmer down later in the day?
Yeah.
If you guys have not had a chance to check out our snowy Central Park videos on our YouTube channel, so please head over there now, because last month जो snowstorm आया था, we did manage to capture that on our channel. So we actually went to Central Park और वहाँ पे हम लोग ने we spent a lot of time. हमने वहाँ पर 2 hikes करी थी. One of them was from what was the name of the fountain? It was Bethesda Fountain, right? Yeah. So we undertook a hike from Bethesda Fountain to the Belvedere Castle, and then there was another hike that we sort of undertook. So head over to our YouTube channel and you can check that out there. That should give you a pretty good view, a pretty good idea of what New York and Central Park in general looks like when it's snowed in. So this is a park right by our place, and as you can see, ये पूरा snow से भरा हुआ है. And there's Meghna. I think she's trying to get in, but the doors are locked, so I don't know why she's standing there. Meghna, what are you doing? तुम पार्क में जाने की कोशिश कर रही हो?
The snow is very untouched.
It is, right?
But,
It is
yeah.
just so beautiful. Hold on. Let me show you guys. See? Do you want to go to the lake?
Yeah, sure.
I think it's starting to settle down a little bit. And हम लोग अपने dogs को लेके बाहर आ गए हैं, who I'm sure are having an amazing time. हम लोग बेसिकली अपने अपने घर की विंडो से यही करते रहते हैं. नीचे जो 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 लोग अपने डॉग्स को घुमाने लेके आते हैं, हम उन डॉग्स को स्टॉक करते रहते हैं बेसिकली सारा टाइम. वी डू दैट क्वाइट अ लॉट, राइट?
Yeah.
More than we care to admit. So I think there are kids who are trying to sled here, and one very ambitious man
He's got his skis.
जो actually ski करने आ गया है. Hold on, let me see if we can zoom in. Oh, I just hope he doesn't fall into the lake. Oh my god, okay. He's about to fall. मेघना, कैसा लग रहा है तुम्हें?
It's very pretty right now.
Yeah.
Thankfully, the winds have calmed down.
It is quite cold though, right?
Yeah, it's very cool.
How much time do you think you can stay outside in this kind of weather?
Not very long. 10-15 मिनट और घूमते हैं. And then we'll
Head back in?
head back in.
Yeah.
चाय पीनी पड़ेगी.
So Meghna's not a very big fan of the cold weather. I absolutely love cold weather, but Meghna is more of a summer person, or basically anything but winter person. Nice.
Absolutely.
I think dusk is also starting to set in a little bit now. अभी जब हम बाहर आए थे थोड़ी देर पहले तो the visibility was very nice, but अब थोड़ा सा
It's getting dark.
है ना, starting to get a little darker.
मतलब अभी स्नो है तो there's a lot of light reflecting off of it. इसलिए सब कुछ white
थोड़ा
white.
bright लग रहा है. That's right. ये देखिए ducks अभी भी हैं.
हाँ
I don't think they feel cold.
हाँ वो लोग एक्चुअली में पानी में फिर भी they're not cold. There's so many dogs in the dog park.
हाँ, there are dogs in the dog park. So this is the dog park. I mean, it's just obviously green when it's not snowing, and you can see a lot of completely fervent dogs here. But yeah, they're very well behaved right now. By the way, हम लोग के अपार्टमेंट से डॉग पार्क का भी व्यू आता है. So that is like another sort of spot for us to stalk dogs. In case if you're wondering कि हमने अभी तक क्यों why we haven't gotten a dog yet, is because we live in a rental apartment and यहाँ पे allowed नहीं है to own a pet. I mean, I think we can probably get a support animal, like someone can get a support animal if they want one, but there's a lot of paperwork and a lot of sort of hoops to jump through. And look at these two masterpieces. Isn't it fantastic?
I have to go far.
What, you better not. I'm on camera.
Don't worry, I won't aim for it.
No, I'm gonna report you for abuse.
Okay. Why don't you walk ahead?
I don't want to do that. Why don't we walk side by side? Ah. Oh, I actually caught one. I don't think it's that hard. I can maybe throw it at you, right?
No. Oh my god, it's. Oh wow. See, so many kids. कितने सारे बच्चे enjoy कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
एटलीस्ट 3 या 4 स्नोमैन है, इतने सारे
हाँ।
स्लोप्स वाले स्लेड्स हैं. बच्चों को ठंड नहीं लगती, they just want to have all the fun.
हाँ, I know. Although to be honest, I don't because इंडिया में कहाँ स्नो पड़ती है.
हाँ.
हम लोग ने like when did you first experience your like rather when did you experience your first snow?
I think maybe when I was in class 8th or something.
Really? Class 8?
Yeah.
कहाँ गई थी तुम?
I guess Manali.
Hmm?
Manali.
Manali. Oh, that's pretty good. I think the first time I experienced snow was actually quite late. हम लोग मसूरी गए थे कॉलेज से.
Oh right, yeah.
Yeah, so quite a few of us. और वहाँ पे there's this place called लाल टिब्बा, if you know, मसूरी से थोड़ा सा ऊपर, right? Where they've got like where I think Ruskin Bond has an apartment. I don't know if it's like fact or complete fiction, but it's just one of those things.
Yeah.
Like people say that
He
all the
does
time.
look good.
Like that's what it's known for कि वहाँ रस्किन बॉन्ड का घर है. That is intense. But all in all this is fine. I mean इस area में I don't think it's very slippery though, right? हम लोग आराम से चल भी पा रहे हैं and
हाँ.
it's not very windy. Starting to snow more to be honest.
हाँ.
है ना?
अभी बढ़ रही है.
थोड़ा it is snowing hard, but then it's not as windy, so it's nice.
Look at this tree. पूरा का पूरा
है ना?
कवर हो गया इसमें.
It looks so nice. It looks like Christmas.
हाँ.
Beautiful. And if you can see, there's actually quite a lot of snow already. Have you had your fix now, Meghna?
Yeah, I think I'm done.
Should we head back?
Yes, we should. Look at my hair.
I know. Oh my god. You actually have quite a bit of snow accumulated on you.
Oh, yeah. I think it's time to warm up.
I know. Oh, and there's the light rail train. It's very convenient, except for the part जब ये रात को 2 बजे हॉर्न बजाती जाती है.
Yeah.
But I think we've gotten used to it in the last few years, so now it's nothing more than white noise for us. Alright, there are no more trains coming, so I think we can cross now. Wait, I
Be
don't
careful,
actually
there's
see.
like a pavement here.
Right. I think this is the walking path. So obviously not many people are out because as you can see the snow is like relatively untouched. So I don't feel particularly good about. Oh, okay.
See?
Almost fell down, but I'm okay. Whew. Back home.